show you what kefir grains look like, in case you've never made any before. They kind of look like rice pudding, and the more batches of kefir you make successfully, the bigger they're going to get, the more they just multiply. They look like little tiny white cauliflowers. They're sort of jelly. You can eat them. There's, you know, they're absolutely full of friendly bacteria. They're a living thing, but you have to look after them if you want them to keep making new subsequent batches of kefir for you. You can make these grains could last you for the rest of your life if you look after them correctly. If you don't want to make another batch immediately, and you've got your grains like that, you've strained off the kefir, and some people will tell you you shouldn't use kefir, it doesn't like metal. I'm using a wooden spoon, but a metal sieve, it's never caused me any problems whatsoever, so I don't worry about that. I just haven't found a good plastic sieve. Pop them back into a clean jar. The description of kefir grains is that they look like little cauliflowers. You see what they look like there? They're just sort of a little bit jelly. It doesn't hurt you if you eat them, obviously. Those are that's the starter culture, which will just continue to grow. Every time I make a new batch of kefir, they increase. So what I do is I'm not too fussy about whether there's some left in the kefir when I drink it, and I also give them away to people so they can make their own batches of kefir. There they are, full of friendly bacteria. This is lactobacillus bacteria, got many different strains. And just to show you close up, that is the company that this batch originated from, and they post out all over Europe. They're very efficient, very quick. If you're in the UK, they arrive literally within 2 days. And I said I have no allegiance with them. They don't pay me to advertise, but they're a very good company and I'm happy to recommend them. There's your grains. What you can do now is take some fresh milk, pour that onto them, and they will keep happily in the fridge, where you slow the fermentation process right down by putting them in the fridge, and you can pop those in the fridge in their milk bath if you like. They'll happily sit there for a month, and you'll still have kefir. It'll just be happening much more slowly. And likewise, if you want to slow the fermentation process right down, just put the kefir in the fridge. I take my kefir grains on holiday with me because I like to make kefir. I'm going to be driving to the UK from Andorra later this week, so I should just take them with me. I'll put a link to them down in the description. And that's all you need to know about how to take care of kefir grains when you aren't ready to make a new batch, but you don't want your grains to suffer. I love kefir. It's super good for your gut. It has many, many strains of beneficial bacteria in it, which your gut buddies love to eat. It looks after you and it tastes great in the process. Delicious. Thanks for watching. Don't forget to like and subscribe in order that I can continue bringing you useful content. Thank you for watching.